the moon, colors bright and shining too, red and yellow, green and blue. Children laugh and clap with cheer when I float and come so near. But if you let me go too soon, I will fly up past the moon. I can dance in morning light, sparkling softly, oh so bright. In the garden up I go, drifting gently high and slow. Sometimes I hide behind a tree. Children giggle, where is he? Then I peek out with a smile, playing games for quite a while. When the wind begins to blow, up and down I sway and go, twisting, turning round and round, floating softly to the ground. Song where the happy kids belong, tied with ribbons shining neat, dancing round with tiny feet. If you hold me in your hand, I'll stay close, I'll understand. But if you let me slip away, I'll go higher day by day. Over rooftops, clouds and sky, waving gently bye bye bye. Up above the stars so bright, glowing softly in the night. So remember, little friend, hold me tight until the end. For a balloon is fun to see, but best of all when close to thee. So remember, little friend, hold me tight until the end. For a balloon is fun to see, but best of all when close to thee.